Hello friends, I'm Dr. Jeewat Ram. Today I will tell you about the infrared thermometer, the advantages, limitations, and proper use of infrared thermometer. The advantages of infrared thermometer: it reduces cross-contamination risk and minimizes risk of spreading disease. It is easy to use, easy to clean and disinfect. Displays a reading rapidly. Limitations of the infrared thermometer: the environment and handling of the thermometer may affect the measurement. Use of personal protective equipment by operator is recommended. The proper use of the infrared thermometer: use in a draft-free space and out of direct sun or near radiant heat sources. Ambient temperature between 16 centigrade and 40 centigrade. Relative humidity below 85%. Forehead must be clean, dry, and unobstructed during measurement. The person being measured must stand still.